Okay, so you want to know how to send money from Binance to Trust Wallet? Well, I have the solution for you. So this is very simple. You have to press this deposit button here, go to deposit crypto. You can do it on Binance, OKX, or any other um exchange. Then you have to select here withdraw crypto. For example, I want to withdraw Bitcoin, so I'm going to write Bitcoin, press it, and then go to Trust Wallet and press this little button receive. Okay, proceed anyway. Choose Bitcoin for example, and you can copy this address, and then you paste it here, and it detects automatically which network is going to use. Then here you can write, for example, I want to send 0.23 Bitcoin. You press withdraw, and in matter of seconds you will receive your money here. You can do it with Ethereum as well, and any other coin. Let's go and try it with Ethereum. So I'm going to write Ethereum, press it, paste the address, and then you have to use the Ethereum address, the Ethereum network in this case. So for example, if I'm going to send to Ethereum, in a matter of seconds when I click the withdraw button, I will receive it here. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.